Hey YouTube, Mitch at I-95 Muscle. Got a new 66 Nova wagon for you guys, little Chevy II wagon. Just gonna take a little stroll around and show you. Back window does work, it's just down right now. It's actually dark purple, it's hard to see in the shade. I'll pull it into the light for you once we drive it around a little bit. Super clean. Inside, outside. Be a couple small nicks and scratches outside, but nothing to complain about for the most part. It's a driver level car. Probably would have done good at Barrett Jackson that just happened. Man, it looks black on video. Let's see if I can get the hood open all by my lonesome. Set you down there for a second. Millions of viewers and subscribers. By millions, I mean like 19 or something. MSD ignition, aluminum radiator, electric fans. That's a southern term, electric. Long tube hooker headers. Looks like new steering gear, alternator. Polished aluminum intake. What's the carb? Is it Holly Edelbrock? Looks like the Edelbrock little twin screw thing. Yep. Some cool little frame braces there that go to the firewall. I don't know if those are factory or aftermarket. If somebody knows, just comment and let me know. Oh, wait. I just saw it. When I shut the hood, I caught a little flash of purple-ish black. So let's see if you could see it on the video. Oh. Did you see? All right. We'll just pull the car in the sun. No blind spots in this car. That's pretty cool. Want something that's easy to see out of, go with this one. Alright, let's turn it at an angle a little bit so we can get some sun on it. Interior matches, by the way. See a little purple now? Really cool color. Well, folks, appreciate you watching. If you're interested in the car, it's at i95muscle.com. We got a dozen other cars in there, about 60 or so. Trackhawk, Avalanche, 18 Mustang, Infiniti G37. And that's what our store looks like. Stop by sometime and see us. Thanks.